Installing a high-performance structural floor is quick and simple when you use TETRiS insulation blocks developed by Cellecta and precast concrete beams manufactured by Charcon. Build up the foundation walls to the desired height. Install a damp-proof course below the beams. Using the Charcon beam layout plan provided, carefully place the Charcon beams across the floor at the appropriate centers. In accordance with the layout plan, start with a full TETRiS T-block. Cut out holes for service with a handsaw. Cut the TETRiS blocks to length with a handsaw. Use the offcut to start the next row and install the TETRiS blocks in a staggered formation. Where beams are set at centers that do not match the width of a TETRiS T-block, use a concrete block to bridge the beams and cover with a TETRiS gap strip. Where required, install 300 mm wide TETRiS T-blocks. Cover the floor with TETRiS blocks. When beams are positioned away from the wall, install slip bricks and bridge the gap with concrete blocks. Fill the gaps at the end of the beams with Charcon closer blocks and install the perimeter wall 150 mm high. Cut TETRiS gap strips to suit with a handsaw and cover the concrete blocks. Cover any exposed beams with TETRiS gap strip and install the TETRiS vertical upstand strip around the external walls and secure with TETRiS pins. A TETRiS covered floor is strong enough to withstand foot traffic, allowing the concrete topping to be safely installed. Underfloor heating systems can be easily installed. Either cable tie the pipes to a steel mesh. Alternatively, pipes can be secured directly to the TETRiS blocks with suitable fixings. Cover the TETRiS blocks with a 75 mm concrete and power float it, or use a free-flowing compacting concrete to produce a smooth finished floor. The TETRiS blocks sit on and between the beams to produce an insulated floor with zero cold bridges, keeping the heat in and the cold out. Once completed, TETRiS will provide a floor with outstanding thermal performance and structural integrity. TETRiS components and fixing tools. TETRiS T600 boards. TETRiS T300 boards. TETRiS gap strip. TETRiS vertical edge strip. TETRiS fixing pins. Charcon concrete closer blocks. Charcon pre-stressed concrete floor beams. Why use TETRiS instead of beam and concrete block? Quicker to install, up to 16 times less blocks to install. TETRiS is a BRE A+ Green Guide rated system compared to only a B for beam and concrete blocks. 3 times more code credits awarded. Insulation blocks are 100% recyclable. System supplied to site in floor-specific quantities. Reduces the number of beams required. More cost-effective. Additional benefits of the TETRiS flooring system. Fixes the floor height above the beams at 150 mm. Underfloor heating system easily incorporated, able to withstand foot traffic during the construction process. Insulation integrity guaranteed. Zero cold bridging. Accredited construction detail. U values as low as 0.1.